Breaking news out of Jackson, Michigan. Kroger store, Jackson, Michigan, full of illegals. Insane amount of illegals at the Kroger store in Jackson, Michigan. You go in there, packed full of illegals, filling their grocery cart full of lobsters, crab legs, porterhouse steaks, paying for it all on an EBT card, paid for by you, the American taxpayer. That's right, in Jackson, Michigan, Kroger store full of illegals, Jackson, Michigan. It's right in Jackson, Michigan. And that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for breaking news. And we'll see you on the next one.